Hello and welcome everyone to today's metals report for the 15th of August 2018, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So right now we have gold prices trading at 1,186 US dollars, silver is trading at $14.80, and platinum is trading at 775 US dollars per ounce. So what do you need to know right now? Gold prices versus the US dollar today have broken down to 18-month lows. This is after the US dollar has broken out here to 14-month highs over concerns about the global market contagion triggered by the recent declines in the Turkish lira. What we have essentially seen is the US dollar get treated as a safe haven, and a lot of commodities priced in US dollars have sold off. Platinum today has hit the lowest level since November of 2018. Silver is now at the April 2016 lows. So we'll have a look at the price structure on the charts. Before we go over to gold, one chart that you need to pay a lot of attention to at the moment is the US dollar index, and this is where we have had this breakout to 14-month highs. You can see very clearly here where the dollar has continued to drive higher, getting the safe haven bid over the last few days. We have seen the dollar index just break above the swing highs here. Right now you want to be taking advantage of dollar strength, which means that you don't want to be trying to pick lows in commodities until they have confirmed buy signals, because the dollar breakout that we're seeing at the moment favors more upside on the dollar index right now, and we could see more downside here in the metals until we see a dollar correction. Now moving over to the gold chart, you will see where we've finally had a resolution of this consolidation in price, and we've seen this pressure to the downside from the Sunday open after the crisis which has engulfed the Turkish lira provided further support to the US dollar as that safe haven. So we saw the US dollar break out, and that immediately put pressure on metals priced in US dollars. So where we are at right now with the current price action, the next major level of support that you want to be aware of with gold price at the moment is 1,179 US dollars per ounce. If we continue to see follow through to the downside, that would be the next key target for sell shorts here. We are getting very oversold at the moment on gold, but the momentum right now is to the downside, and you want to be very careful not to try and pick a bottom in the market yet until you see further confirmation. We're now the most oversold gold has been since December of 2016. Once we bottomed in gold at the beginning of 2017, gold then rallied back by over 13% to the upside. So yes, I would agree that once gold does finally bottom, this is going to provide a fantastic longer term opportunity. But you also want to be very careful here of trying to pick the low, because the predominant trade opportunity at the moment is to sell into gold or go long the US dollar. If we do see further follow through on gold in the coming days, the next major level of support here actually resides just below 1,150 US dollars per ounce here for gold priced in US dollars if we see another flush out. Now moving over to the silver chart, silver is currently trading at $14.81 per ounce here. Silver, very much like gold, has broken through a very key level of support. So silver has broken and closed below 15 US dollars per ounce, which is similar to 1,200 US dollars per ounce being breached on gold. After you have a breakdown of a major level like that, you would then anticipate the potential for more follow through to the downside. So the next major levels of support here for silver, if we continue to see this sell-off accelerate to the downside, they include $14.57 per ounce, and then below that the next major level would be that psychological zone of support at 14 US dollars per ounce if we continue to see the price action of silver accelerate to the downside here. Those are the next major levels of support for silver. Now moving over to platinum prices, platinum right now is retesting the 10-year lows. So platinum has not been as low as this since 2008. Historically, platinum spends very little time below 800 US dollars per ounce. So it's very oversold at the moment, but at the same time, you don't want to catch a falling knife. You need to wait for confirmation before looking for potential buy opportunities here on the metals. The next major levels of support here for platinum, they reside at 764 US dollars per ounce, and below that at 734 US dollars. Right now on the metals, the trend is your friend here, and we're seeing that across multiple markets, where the major opportunity here is to position yourself to take advantage of US dollar strength. Now, of course, if you'd like to be part of a community of successful traders, then join us on our live trading room program. As a member, you will get access to live trade alerts. Those are delivered via WhatsApp, email, and SMS. You have access to mentorship, expert advice, in-depth market analysis, and trusted insights so you know earlier how to act quicker and maximize on every trade opportunity. For more information and details on how to join the service, please go to www.jointhelivetradingroom.com. The link is also below this report in the description, so just click on the link, make an application, and we will get in touch with you ASAP. And also make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to be kept updated with the latest commodity reports.